Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Android Auto is not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If Android Auto is not working, just simply try to locate for Android Auto. Okay guys, just simply you have to go to connection and sharing, or if you have other feature in mobile, just simply look here for Android Auto. Here it is guys, just simply you have to tap on this and then scroll it down and make sure that all of these toggles are turned on. Okay guys, so firstly you have to turn off all of these toggles like this. Turn off this one and then turn it on again and try to check whether your palm has been fixed or not. Just simply you have to turn the toggle off and then turn it on and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. So you have to do all these steps, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And once again there guys, then you have to tap on start Android Auto automatically. Just simply go there and make sure that if it's check on always or default, and then go back from here and try the connection help. Just simply tap on this and go to learn more, and you have to follow all of these steps. So as you can see guys, you have to follow all of these steps from here like this, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if once again there guys, then you have to locate for installed apps in your phone like this. I'm going to tap on apps. Now go to app management and then locate for Android Auto. Let me show you here. Here it is guys, just simply tap on Android Auto and then go to storage and usage. Then you have to clear data or clear cache from here. Go back and then you have to force stop the app. Just simply force stop the app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.